PNC app not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you fix PNC app not working. So first thing first, we could go with the basic steps like checking your internet connection. So sometimes it could be due to the poor connectivity. So you want to open up settings onto your device and then go to network and internet section. After which you just want to go to the internet section and make sure to restart or maybe reset your router or refresh your connection. That should be able to fix as well. And you also want to make sure to disable any sort of VPN if you're using, so it's actually gonna hinder. So you want to disable that, and next you could also go ahead and make sure to clear cache as well as data. For that, you just want to go to settings once again onto your device and locate app from the list, locate PNC from the list, and go to storage and cache and click on clear cache. Now that you've done this and you're still facing issue, you also want to make sure to check for an update. So as per the update, you just want to go to your respective app store, type in PNC and make sure to check whether there is an update available or not. However, if the issue still persists on, then you could simply reinstall your PNC mobile app. At the same time, restart your device, and that should definitely help you out. So with that being said, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.